ourselves. I am Golanda Sobia Aslam.
And I am Devriwala Sishan.
I am studying in Banigar English High School in class 7.
And I am from 8A.
You must be wondering why we are saying so.
Because our neighbors are looking for a good school for their child Rehan.
And we claim our Banigar English High School is the best school in Miraro.
And their search for a good school will definitely end here.
But we want them to personally visit and have a look at the school and decide themselves.
So here we go.
Welcome to Banigar English High School, a co-education school under the management of MH Banigar Educational Trust. We aim to provide an exciting all-round education as the first milestone in a personally fulfilling and socially useful life. We provide a balanced environment focused on shaping children into leaders of tomorrow. Our school environment promotes order, independence, discipline, a love for learning, a connection to the world, and a sense of social responsibility. Banigar English High School is located in Nayanagar, Mira Road East, one of Thane's fastest developed suburban areas. Mr. Muhammad Iqbal Banigar, the chairman of the MH Banigar Educational Trust, is originally a businessman engaged in the business of construction. His inner soul inspired him to start Banigar English High School for the economically and educationally downtrodden section of the society.
Our mission is to prepare the students for the academic, personal and professional excellence in a global society through comprehensive and high quality education, so that as worthy citizens of this world, they work for the welfare and betterment of society.
Banigar English High School prepares students from nursery to the secondary school certificate examination or SSC, Maharashtra Board, and Hafiza B. Banigar Junior College with Arts, Science and Commerce stream till the Higher Secondary Certificate or HSC Maharashtra Board. Since its establishment in 1996, Mr. Muhammad Iqbal Banigar's perseverance, dedication and hard work have seen the school grow and earn the trust of thousands of parents to entrust their children to the care of the school. The facilities offered are education imparted through English medium, trained, dedicated, qualified and experienced faculty. We always remain committed to providing every facility possible and all the necessary guidance and support to ensure quality education. With an investment of over 1 crore, the school provides modern education as well as basic knowledge of Urdu and Diniyat to our young generation to understand the religion better. Banigar English High School has the privilege of being the first school to have 39 smart classes powered by EduComp. School prepares a multidisciplinary trained student who can face life with enriched moral values, lays more emphasis on the healthy environment in imparting education to students. Education imparted is qualitative and value-based rather than commercialized pattern of education. Individual attention is paid to weaker students and extra classes are conducted, enabling them to understand things better. Well-lit and ventilated classrooms with beautiful color themes individual to each classroom. Provides guidance and information about students to the parents and takes corrective measures to improve the child's performance. At Banigar English High School, students have an opportunity to meet an experienced psychologist to mitigate their psychological problems. A spacious, well-stocked and resourceful library has books on a wide variety of subjects. A retire room is set up where students can rest and get first aid assistance in case of an emergency. Learning is made fun in an aesthetically designed dollhouse where our pre-primary children enjoy every moment. Dedicated office staff to help parents, visitors and students. Canteen facility is also available. Physical fitness programs are also undertaken from time to time. Today's education is incomplete without co-curricular and extra-co-curricular activities. The school organizes different activities for students coached by professional instructors. Sports like volleyball, karate, dancing, athletics, are organized to boost the winning spirit in students.
Banagar English High School satisfies hundreds of parents for quality and innovative education.
Events are organized to celebrate the annual day with a variety of cultural and social programs. Various inter-school competitions such as debate, essay writing, quiz, games and sports etc. are organized from time to time to explore students' hidden talents in different areas. Camps are held to focus on educational grooming of the students. High-tech audiovisual lab with latest equipment for screening of educational and recreational material.
At Banagar English High School, we are encouraged to maintain openness of mind and play for learning. We love to be in our school.
Fully equipped physics, chemistry,
You will shake it so you can see the color change. Yes.
and biology laboratories for school children.
A unique sense of comfort and unborn education is what we achieve in this institution.
We love to be in our school.
Bus facilities are available covering the entire part of Meera Road and Meera Bhayantar.
We are committed to provide safe and clean environment where teachers can teach and students can learn to the best of their ability. We believe schools are about people. As a principal, I want to provide all the students with equal opportunities where they can excel not only in core academic subjects as well as in variety of co-curricular activities.
To cater to the higher educational needs of the growing population of Meera Road, the chairman took a bold decision of establishing a junior college in the name of his beloved mother, late Hafiza Bi Muhammad Hussain Banagar, who had the honor of being the ex-deputy headmistress of Bombay Municipal Corporation School. Hafiza Bi Muhammad Hussain Banagar has the privilege of being the first junior college in Nayanagar, which came as a blessing and served as a relief to hundreds of worried parents and students who saved their energy and travelling time to various faraway destinations. The junior college is set up for the Higher Secondary School Certificate Examination or HSC in Arts, Commerce and Science Stream, Maharashtra Board. The college is well equipped with physics, chemistry, biology and information technology laboratories.
With its outstanding infrastructure and impeccable teachers in this institution, we have felt that we have taken our best decision to step our foot in this institution.
The lecture halls and the school classrooms are modern, spacious and airy, providing students the comfortable environment they need for an all-round education.
The seeds which I have sown 16 years ago has ripened into a juicy fruit. in the form of Banegar English High School and Hafiza Muhammad Hussain Banegar Junior College of Arts, Science and Commerce, which gives the scope of education to more than 3,500 students from nursery to class 12. And proud to have a dedicated team of more than 110 qualified and experienced faculty members.
Services provided by MH Banegar Educational Trust are special care for dropouts and educational assistance to students from the weaker section of society, provides financial help to the needy and deserving, provides medical aid to the needy.
We are committed to create an educational environment in which students' needs to take precedence. Fortunately, my job has been easier with committed principal and a dedicated staff.
We are fully satisfied when Ryan liked the school well.
Now the Hans school is Banegar English High School.
I like the school very much.
For admission, contact Banegar English High School and Hafiza B. Banegar Junior College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Banegar School Lane off Lodha Road, opposite Saryu Sargam Building, Nayanagar, Meera Road East, District Thane, 401-107, telephone 2811-2282 or 2855-3388, email fbanegar@yahoo.co.in.